My scalp feels so weird, so different now. Like even laying on the pillow, and it's always windy. Like, oh my goodness. That's probably why men be so upset. They didn't go ahead be cold. Hi, my name is Nathina Antoinette, popping like a bottle of Moet. Welcome to my channel, my YouTube space. We're gonna do something that we haven't done in a long time. We're going to be making a wig and reviewing some hair. So I purchased some hair from Queen Aliexpress, and it is 16 inches of body wave. I got one frontal and 2 bundles, all 16 inches. I actually got this hair for the wedding, but look, it's cold outside. My hair be cold. So the hair feels good. Has a regular smell, not that corn chip smell. Before we look at the frontal, let's go ahead and look at these wefts. How short those wefts are. I meant, you know, the hair near the weft is what I'm saying. And they're very flat. So then all the other pieces, yeah, that's very nice. The weft looks nice and tight. Cause I don't know what I did, but look at how it's just gliding through my mess that I created. Oh yeah, look at that. It's just gliding through. Okay, it handles that very well. I think that's a good 16. Way down. I ended up going with their hair because I liked the way the frontal looked. The frontal looked really, really super nice. This is the frontal. The hair is just like the bundles, and it's a true 16 in the top, all the way on the sides, so they don't cheat you. I like that. But look at this. Look at how thin this is. This is supposed to be like HD, son. Come on. This is by far the thinnest lace that I've ever had, so I'm pretty excited about that. What do y'all think? That is pretty nice already. I picked up this Sonic Spice by Soft Sheen Carson, the high resolution hair color. And if it lifts this high, cool. If it doesn't lift this high, then that's cool too. But it's just kind of like, it's supposed to look like a nice reddish brownish kind of color, like a dark reddish brownish, not too light. So that'll be cool, I think, for the winter time. This is the wig cap that I picked up. It's the deluxe customized weaving cap. I've never tried this one before. I've had one similar, but I don't think it was made by them. It just looks a tad different. But yeah, none of this really matters because I'm gonna cut all of that off. Since I don't have any hair, there's no excuse for my wig to not be as flat as it could possibly be. So make sure I pull that real tight when I make that wig. Yeah, that's gonna be nice. I dyed my bundles. Now they're this nice chocolatey color. It came out really good. I didn't want anything super bright, but not too dark either. So now I'm gonna start constructing my wig. So I put that stocking cap on first, so that way I don't really have to worry too much about this neck kind of rubbing up against my head. It just seems like that would be annoying. I don't know. My scalp feels so weird, so different now. Like even laying on the pillow, and it's always windy. Like, oh my goodness. That's probably why men be so upset. They think I go ahead be cold. And I'm gonna take First thing I'm going to do is take care of this gap back here. Close that up like that.
My absolute favorite part about this hair has to be the frontal. I love how sheer and soft the lace is. It just gives a very nice melt in without even being melted. I love that about this hair. I can also appreciate that the frontal and the bundles dye the same, because sometimes that does not happen. The one thing that I do need is another bundle. I thought I could get away with the frontal taking up so much space, but for the fullness that I want, I definitely just need one more bundle. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe. See you soon. Bye.